Hi, how are you? We are going to draw a pigeon today. For this drawing, let's begin from the head. This is the part of the head. We roughly draw a surface. We can do the rough outline like this. It's a basic shape of a bird. Alright, let's put the beak here. Okay, we draw the lines here and the line we draw here. The wings are visible here. All right. Another tier of feathers we see here. Another tier of feathers here. Okay. The long feathers here. The tail, we can see the feathers like this. All right. This is the legs. We can see the back and the front. And we connect the lines here. Okay. Let's do few details by drawing some borders here, some dots here. There's a little shade at this point. Also, we can draw shades in this point too. The part at the bottom is little bit darker. Let's see the wings. All right. So the strong outlines for the wings here. Also strong outline at this point too. And at this point too. Let's draw the feathers like this, big feathers, and put a shades. The more details we are drawing, the more the pigeon becomes alive. It looks nice and lively. Little shades on the legs here. Let's draw the ground. Few stops over the ground. Now let's put regular shade all over the body. Little bit darker. It's very likable, isn't it? All right. So this is the drawing of a pigeon which is ready to fly. Let's put some dots here for the details part. Thanks for watching my video. Please do the practice for more accuracy and more details, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.